you will learn how to cut off a part of a video you already uploaded on your YouTube studio. Okay, the first step you need to take is to launch a web browser. Visit studio.youtube.com and log into your studio account. Okay, here I'm logging right now, so click on content. Scroll until you get to the video you want to cut off some part of it. Okay, look at this video here. I want to cut off a part of it. So once you get to this pencil icon, right click on it and select open link in new tab. So I will click on the new tab. All right, so here you can see the title and some details about the video, but this is not where we are going to make the editing. So click on editor, the editor option here. On clicking on editor, it's now time for you to start editing, okay? Cutting off some parts you don't want to have. So play the video until you get to the part you don't want to have in this video again. So let me play mine. I'll click on play.
Okay.
I have now played and I noticed that from here to here, I don't need that. All right. So I need to cut off from this place, which is 19 seconds, 34 milliseconds. I need to cut it off this video. Okay. I have this part. All right. So what you need to do next is to click on trim and cut. On clicking on trim and cut, you will see the blue sign, the blue color here, and the blue color here. So what it means is that you can adjust from here to here. All right. And also adjust from this end if there is some part you want to cut off from here. But I want to get this information very correctly. So I'm not going to do it manually by dragging, okay, to cut off. So what I will need to do is to introduce this new cutoff. New cut. I'll click on that. And remember, look at where we want to stop the cutting here. So this side is the start of the number, which is 1934. So I will take my cursor here until I see this, the arrow that has 2.8. So I will drag it and get to that 1934. Then I'll place my cursor here and then drag this one to the other end. Okay, to make sure it is in that 1934. You can see, so from here to here is 1934. So once you're okay with what you have, you click on this tick sign for it to be cut off. So after that, you can play, all right, to make sure that you get it correctly. So I'll click so that my playhead will be here and play it.
Here I'm using an Android device.
And that got what I wanted in this case. So maybe there is something that is not correct from this end as well. Click there until you get where you want to cut off and follow the same way to cut. So let me play.
Start with your computer. Thank you.
So but here I don't want to cut anything off from this end. Everything is correct. So on the assumption that we just want to cut off this place, the next step is to click on save. Then you will see this notification. Adjust video to new length 1 minute 22 seconds. Before it was 1 minute 43 seconds. So click on this and know that this action cannot be undone. All right, so once you click on this pause, click on confirm changes. This can take some minutes. All right, it can take up to 6 minutes or 10 minutes or 3 minutes. So I will wait at the back end, which after that, I will tell you what you get in return. Okay, this has finished processing. And this particular one took about 8 minutes to complete. So once you find yourself in this state, you can play to make sure everything is in order, which we have done before already. So there is no need for that, and close the tab. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. There's a product shown here on this video. It's one of the products I sell on my store. So you can make purchase, click on it and buy. Okay? And it's a way of supporting this channel and you're getting a new product too. So it's a win-win for both of us. If you get to the store and you don't like what is displayed here on the screen, you can go through my store. I have a lot of products mugs, shirts, and different other products you can find there. Thank you and see you some other time.